In this part, we are going to talk about the string format of Python, and this is the string format method. And if you have used React.js or Angular or Vue.js, you already know the template literal or JavaScript ES6. So this is a very similar method. If you have the name Peter and age is 80, one of the methods to format string is to use the curly bracket here, and then we will fill in the name to the first bracket and the age to the another curly bracket. So if we execute this to 9, now you can see this Peter already filled in to the first one, and the 80 fill in the second one. But we can make it more flexible by using the index. For example, you should know that this is 0 and this is 1 if you counting the index. So this is 0, which means that we will fill in the age at here, and then we fill in the name at the first one. So if we execute this, we will get the same result. And the other thing is, if we name it age is equal to 17 and name is Tom at here, now we can just fill in the age at this one and the name and putting to this one. Then we do not need the index, we just need to fill in the name of the variable. Now if we execute this, you should expect that the Tom is filled in here. So my name is Tom and I am 17. So this is the result. And if you want to fill in this age, then we can fill in age is equal to age. Then we will fill in the age at this position, and the name we'll put in here, and then we fill in the name at this position. So if we execute this, now we got hello, my name is Peter, I'm 80. So this is how to use the string format method. And the other thing is we can format the float values. So for example, the result is equal to 2 over 67. Now we should get the floating values, and we can use the print method, and then we set the width, which means 10 characters or 10 unit width, and then 4f is equal to 4f is equal to 4 decimal place, and then we put the value which is equal to the result. So you should expect that there is 4 decimal place appear, and it will choose the 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it will round up to 9. And actually the length is 10 unit. So for example, we can adjust the number of decimal place. For example, we can type 6. Now we can see we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is at here. So we get this 6 decimal place, and we will round up to 1 at the last digit, because this is greater than 5. And last we have the f string, and this is more like the ES6. So this is very simple. We just add the f before the string, and then we use the single quote, and then we use the curly bracket, and then we put the name here. So we can execute, and then we get my name is Tom, So this is much easier to see the whole sentence. We can see welcome first name and last name. So if we execute this, and then we execute this, we got welcome John Doe. So this is how the f strings work.